Hello everyone, we are group 7. Today, we are going to present our assignment on the influences of social media on youth moral values. Here's the outline of our presentation. About the introduction, ethical studies, data analysis, discussion, and the conclusion. Introduction. Social media now dominated youth values, overshadowing traditional influences like families and schools. It created content and virtual things risks distracting moral judgment, necessitating argued alignment of digital platforms with ethical principles. We raise the following question regarding this. How does prolonged this social media exposure shape youth moral values? Second, to what extent do parents, educators, and platform designers fail to adjust social media's ethical dilemmas for youth? The last is, why must social media practices be restricted to engines with the universal moral principles for the societal well-being? We have four key objectives. To investigating how much young people use social media and its effect on their moral values. Second, to assess whether youth recognize the influences of content on their moral views. Third, to study the role of parents, teachers, and teach components in guiding online behavior. The last is to recommend ways to promote good moral values through social media. Let's define our key terms. Social media is online platforms like the TikTok and Facebook that allow users to interact with the content. The youth moral values is the ethical principle guiding behavior, which has increasingly shaped by the authoring and the virtual things. Study shows that 96.2% of youth use the social media daily, facing moral hazard. In the UK, 34% of youth look to the social media for moral guidance. Unfortunately, weak potential allow these platforms to degrade ethical stranger among the youth. Social media consequently pushing the commercial content to the young people perceivably, destroy their moral continent and the judgment standards. Youth moral values in pursuit of virtual recognition, actively imitated the extreme behaviors of the internet celebrities, turning moral choice into toys for obtaining social capitals. This caused the disintegration of moral standards, communication breakdown with family, and even emotional cries like the depression or numbness. Let's look at the first picture. Do you think social media influences youth behavior and moral values? 80.7% said yes. Very few disagree and were unsure, showing a clear consent. Let's look at the seventh picture. Do you think schools should educate students on responsible social media use? 80.8% agree, highlighting the positive roles of the education studies in guiding responsible use. Most respondents feel social media strongly shapes morality. Despite risk, it has potential for good if used wisely. Practical environment and education are essential. However, youth may lack awareness of consequences of their online action. To conclusion, social media is not the enemy. Its impact depends on how they are used to promote a positive moral development. First, parents and teachers should set boundaries. Second, youth should adopt ethical online habits. The last is the article must promote digital literature. In short, balanced screen time are the strong values equal to the responsible digital citizens. Thank you.